Hello, guys. I am back, and I am back with a great video. And this video is going to be about how I turn profitable and exactly which strategy do I use. Because you all know that when someone asks me which strategy do I use, I always tell them I use session highs and lows. But since I'm not a 100% message guy, I always say I trade like session highs and lows because I don't want to explain too much because I want people to watch my videos. And this video is that video. And I'm gonna exactly show you what are my confidences and how I take trades and how I make money. Cause I'm 21 years old and I bought two cars so far, and like in total it's like $200,000. And when you're 21 and you do that and you do this, it's something good. All right. So I'm gonna show you how I turn profitable. Is this good? Okay, it is good. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is good. So basically, when people say, um, when I say people trade with session highs and lows, people understand that. Let's say that. Let's imagine that this is our London high, and this is no, wait. This is my London high, and this is my London low. All right. So when I say people, I trade session highs and lows. People think, oh, Parka is waiting for price to take one of these lows and go higher. Exactly. As soon as price touch that, Parka go buy. As soon as price touch that, Parka go sell. No, I don't do that exactly. All right. So if you do that exactly, just what I showed you, you will lose a lot of money. All right. And if you like, there's no way. There's literally no way you're making money just by using that. All right, you must have some different confidences. Like for example, let's look at the charts. Let's look at the charts about how I do. So before I jump into the charts, I want to show you my confidences. Like I have different confidences. I have fair value gaps. I'm gonna right here. I have fair value gaps. I have inversion fair value gaps. I have V-shaped recovery. And what do I have? Fair value gap, emerging fair value gap, V-shaped recovery, enter with order blocks. And what do I have? What do I have? Fair value gaps, emerging fair value gaps, V-shaped recovery, enter with order blocks. Oh, the high time frame confidences. All right, high time frame confidences. It is very important. And in this video, I'm gonna be explaining you what is exactly high time frame confidences. But before I jump into the high time frame confidences, I want to talk about fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, V-shaped recovery, and entry with order block, or put your stop loss or take profit below or above order blocks. So I'm gonna explain to you. So let's find one. This is our Nasdaq chart. Mm, I see one. So the basically, the fair value gap and the emergent fair value gap. So I'm not gonna explain them. But if you ask about what's the V-shaped recovery, all right, guys, the V-shaped recovery is, imagine that price is dumping like that, all right, and what you're waiting for, you're gonna waiting for the price has a V-shaped recovery. So you see it, this looks like V, and after V-shaped recovery, you find your and you find your confidences to entry, and you go boom. Oh yeah, that's it. So in this chart, what do we see? What do we see? Price is dumping. You see, price is going down. And what I was waiting for. I didn't take that trade. I'm just looking. Like this is today. This is the first time I'm opening the chart. All right. So I haven't checked anything. So yeah, price is dumping, and I was waiting for V-shaped recovery. All right, this was my V-shaped recovery. But how do I know what is my confidence exactly? So let's find some confluences. Let's find some confluences. No. Yeah. Oh, that's really good actually. So let's have a little better look. So how you can enter a trade with V-shaped recovery. All right, price was dumping, and what do we have? We have a bearish favorable gap right here. We mark this, and price didn't respect that fair value gap, but we have one other chance. What is that other chance? This fair value gap could turn into the inversion fair value gap. So let's see. Price was going up and down to that side and created an inversion fair value gap plus an extra bullish fair value gap. So you have double. All right. So that's good. That's good that you know that. That's good that you mark that. But how you can exactly take a trade with proper risk management. All right. So if you guys are trading with the funded account, you should put your stop loss to that level. All right. But if you are trading live, you should put your stop loss to that level. And where you should put your take profit. So this is my order block. I can say that, and I'm gonna put my take profit to that level. That's it. This could be my take profit one. All right, and this would be my full take profit. So yeah, that was favorable gap. So that was a great example actually. That was a favorable gap, emerging favorable gap, and wish up recovery, and order block. Enter with order block. We didn't enter with order block, but we did put our take profit to the order block. So which is good. All right, I hope you guys understand that. Cause so you see, it was like A plus setup. Price price was dumping. We waited for V-shaped recovery, and this 1 minute bearish fair value gap turned into the inversion fair value gap, and it's supported with another 1 minute time frame bullish fair value gap. And as soon as price touched both at the same time, we entered trade. We put that stop loss to that liquidity level, and our take profit was below that order block. Totally easy. Like just do that, and you will print money. So what do we have more? Yeah, I'm gonna delete it. I hope you guys understand that because it's easy. So you're seeing like I'm not just looking for session highs and lows. I'm not just looking for that. All right. Imagine that we swept the London lows there, and you see how I think. Like what was my confidence as you see all of that. So all right, I'm gonna delete it, and I'm gonna show you. Oh, I didn't mean to delete all. Yeah, I'm gonna delete them. Yeah. So what do we have? We have a high time frame confidences. So what is high time frame confidences? Let's jump into the 1 hour time frame. All right. What do we see? What do we see? What do we see? What do we see? All right, yeah, I see one. I'm gonna just put that down here. So um we have a 1 hour bearish fair value gap right here. All right. But if you don't analyze your 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart or daily chart, you will lose 90%. You will lose. Because when you jump into the 5 minute time frame, right? So wait, I'm gonna mark this fair value gap, filling fair value gap, so you will understand and you will see better. Right? This area. All right. Let's jump into the 5 minute time frame. So what do we see in 1 minute time frame? We have a breakup structure, and we have a recovery to go like to go higher. Like you know what I'm saying? Like you could you could use that fair value gap to enter a long trade, but you wouldn't take that trade only if you know your high time frame confidences. So you see, as soon as price touched that 1 hour time frame fair value gap, we had a reversal right there. But if you don't analyze your high time frame, when you see that, oh, we might have a V-shaped recovery right there, and I should take a trade. No, you would lose money. What has happened? Yeah, all right. So what you will see, you will definitely lose money if you don't know your high time frame confluences. Yeah, I mean your high. If you don't analyze your high time frame, you will lose money because you see price was going up with a big move. When you see that, you will think that, oh, you will think the price is going high. Like I gotta like catch some fair value gap and trade with the trend. But what you don't see is then there is a 1 hour time frame fair value gap, and the price was just filling that 1 hour time frame fair value gap. You see what I'm saying? So this was like, let me show you another example right there. Let's again jump into the 1 minute time frame. What do we see? 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 Yeah, right there. We were creating a V-shaped recovery here again, and I marked my fair value gap, and this was a bearish fair value gap, and with those candlesticks, we inverted it. We inversion it. Now we have an inversion fair value gap, and this was our entry. This was our stop loss. So this trade would be like this. This this one would be my take profit one, and this one would be my take profit two. That's it. Easy. Easy money. Easy money. Do I have to tell you any other things? So now you all know that I'm just not waiting for um any other session highs or lows to getting swept. You see, I have confidences. That's how I make money. When I tell you I trade with session highs and lows, like you think like, oh, you think like, oh, Parker is waiting for one of the highs or lows getting swept, and as soon as he sees sweeping any highs or lows, he gets into the trade. No, I don't do that. I have confidences, and without any confidences like this, I wouldn't be able to make any money. So that was my video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye bye.